Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing well. So, today, under Swachhata Pakhwada, we are going to discuss about personal hygiene. Personal hygiene means व्यक्तिगत साफ सफाई. Health, a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Just because you are not having any disease, it doesn't mean that you are healthy. इसका मतलब कि अगर आप डिजीज़ नहीं है आपको कोई, और अगर कोई इस वक्त प्रॉब्लम नहीं है आपको, आप हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं फील कर रहे हैं, स्टिल इट डजंट मीन कि आप प्रॉपर हेल्दी हैं. हाउ द हेल्थ इज measured by physical, mental and social well-being. When you are physically healthy, there is no problem. You are mentally healthy and you are socially healthy. So that's when we call a person healthy. And what is hygiene? Healthy habits that include bathing, keeping the mouth clean, keeping the skin protected from the sun, and washing hands frequently, especially before eating. So it is related to healthy habits, the hygiene. Good and bad hygiene. The difference between good and bad hygiene is good hygiene keeps you protected from things like germs and dangerous UV rays from the sun in the environment that can hurt you. Bad hygiene allows these things to affect your body and make you sick. So whatever your habits are, if they are to protect yourself, then it is good hygiene. But when you are doing such things, or you having such habits that allows you to get affected negatively on your health, every type of your health, then it is a bad hygiene. Okay, and our goal is to know how to maintain a good hygiene. It is very, very important, because health comes first, and if you are healthy, then you can do everything at your best. The benefits of good hygiene. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, addressing the spread of germs in schools is essential to the health of our youth, our school, and our nation. Of course, we are all, you are all students, kids, right? And we are teachers, and we have so many people working around us and with us. We also live with our parents and brothers, sisters, and grandparents, and we have neighbors too. So we all together have to maintain a good habit or good habits to maintain the good hygiene, to practice good hygiene. It is very important. Good hygiene prevents the spread of germs. As you all know, the diseases spread because of the germs. So good hygiene prevents spread of germs. हमें germs नहीं फैलेंगे तो बहुत हमको फ़ायदा होगा कि हमें गुड हाइजीन को मेंटेन करने में आसानी होगी और हम डिज़ीज़ के शिकार नहीं होंगे. It also helps to give a good first impression to others. It is also mannerful to practice good hygiene. Okay, अगर आप good hygiene में रहते हैं, अच्छे से practice करते हैं, that also impresses others. It is very important. You have to be neat and clean. So first of all, we will talk about skin. Healthy skin. First is hand washing. As you know, in this time, it is very important because the COVID-19 is going on, this pandemic, and we have to wash our hands continuously. But even before COVID-19, there will be no one that will say कि हैंड वॉश नहीं करना चाहिए या आपको पहले कम करना चाहिए था लेकिन अब ज़्यादा करना चाहिए. No. Hand washing is very, very important. It always has been important. So 22 million schools are lost each year due to common cold. जो आपको common cold होता है, ये रिपोर्ट है उसके हिसाब से. और as you know, COVID-19 की सिचुएशन आप जानते ही हैं. Some viruses and bacteria can live from 20 minutes up to 2 hours and more on surfaces like cafeteria tables, डोर की नॉब्स एंड डेस्क. बहुत अलग अलग सरफेसेस पे अलग अलग लाइफ होती है बैक्टीरियाज की, वायरसेस की. कि वो कौन से मटेरियल पे कितने समय तक ज़िंदा रह सकते हैं या एक्टिव रह सकते हैं. So now how to wash your hands, as we all know that you already have learned how to wash hand under Swachhata Pakhwada activities. So first, it is recommended to use warm water. You don't have to warm up the water. You can just use normal water that is not too cold. Use soap. It is very important to use soap because it carries germs away with it and also kills it. Scrubs hand together and under nails for at least 15 to 20 seconds. You have to scrub your hands. और आपकी nails बहुत important है. एक तो first of all you have to cut your nails regularly, and if they are not, then you have to keep them clean. Dry hands on a clean cloth or paper towel, or use an automatic hand dryer if possible. Whatever you have, just make sure कि वो साफ़ हो और उससे आप अपने hand को clean कर सकते हैं. Now comes healthy teeth and gums. The health and cleanliness of your mouth is important. If you don't brush and floss. तो brushing आप जानते हैं क्या होती है, brush करना teeth को with the help of a brush and a toothpaste. And flossing is getting your roots of the teeth. जो आपके teeth है उसके roots पे तक नहीं पहुंच पाता है जो brush होता है, तो उसको साफ़ करने का जो process होता है उसके लिए floss चाहिए होता है हमको. अगर आप ऐसा नहीं करते हैं then you will have to face cavities, जो कि holes in your teeth होते हैं. That is very painful and not very good. Your breath will probably smell bad. If you have many bacteria in your mouth growing, it will make your breath bad. It means you have bacteria in your mouth and you have to wash it immediately. You may be at higher risk for serious diseases later in life, such as heart disease, strokes and diabetes. Okay, so if you want a good healthy life, you have to clean your teeth and gums. How often and when to brush and floss? Okay, at least 2 times a day. If you are at home, I would recommend कि आप whenever you eat something, after that always brush your teeth. There is no need to always use toothpaste. 2 times आप toothpaste यूज़ करिए, बट अगर आप कुछ खा रहे हैं तो rather than leaving it on your teeth, you can use brush to remove whatever is on your teeth. Okay, because चाहे वो sweets हो, चाहे वो salt हो, whatever thing जो आपके दांतों में लग जाती है उससे आपको कैविटी हो सकती है. इससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि वो कौन से टेस्ट की चीज़ है ना. हमें हमेशा बताया जाता है कि हम स्वीट चीज़ें खाएंगे तो हमारे दांत सड़ेंगे, लेकिन बाकी चीज़ें के बारे में हमें इतना अवेयर नहीं किया जाता है. दैट इज़ ट्रू कि कैंडीज़ एंड स्वीट्स खाने से जल्दी से रॉटिंग होती है, जल्दी सड़ती हैं चीज़ें. लेकिन अगर आप रोटी खा रहे हैं, चावल खा रहे हैं, सब्ज़ी खा रहे हैं और वो भी आपके दांतों में लगी हुई है, तो वो भी आपको उतना ही नुकसान करती है जितना कि स्वीट्स करती हैं. सो इट विल बी बेटर अगर हम जिसको हम बोलते हैं कुल्ला करते हैं हम लोग, है ना, उसको आप कर सकते हैं. इफ़ यू वांट टू रिमूव एवरीथिंग वट एवर इट इज़ इन योर माउथ, यू कैन यूज़ ब्रश, a light brush, lightly just do it, and you can have your everything removed from the mouth. Okay, now one time in the morning and one time at night. Obviously you all know that. Consider brushing between meals too, right? meals के बाद भी आप करें, बहुत ही फ़ायदेमंद रहती है ये चीज़. फ्लॉस एट लीस्ट 1 टाइम अ डे. फ्लॉसिंग एक थ्रेड होता है जिसकी हेल्प से फ्लॉसिंग की जाती है. आप क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो आपको अभी रिकमेंडेड नहीं है. मे बी वी कैन समडे practice flossing in our homes and everything. Right now it is not very popular in India, the flossing. Floss if you feel food stuck in your teeth. अगर teeth में चला जाता है, कुछ फंस जाता है फूड, तो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिमूव इट, और उसको फ्लॉसिंग से ही रिमूव किया जा सकता है. नाउ फूड्स टू अवॉइड, यू नो, जंक फूड जिससे जितना पॉसिबल है अवॉइड करेंगे. कैंडी, चॉकलेट एंड स्वीट्स. अगर खा भी रहे हैं तो उसको तुरंत के तुरंत आपको रिमूव कर देना है, वट एवर इज़ ऑन योर टीथ. अवॉइड ड्रिंकिंग सोडा एंड स्वीट टी. ऑफ कोर्स सोडा क्योंकि बोन को वीक कर सकता है। तो ऑफ कोर्स योर जो टीथ हैं आपके वो भी बोन्स से ही मिलते जुलते हैं, उनका स्ट्रक्चर होता है जो, तो वो सोडा पीने से वो कमज़ोर होते हैं, इसमें कोई शक नहीं है। इफ़ यू डू ईट दिस थिंग्स यू मे वॉन्ट टू ब्रश इमीडिएटली आफ्टरवर्ड्स। अगर आप फिर भी खाते हैं तो तुरंत के तुरंत बाद में ब्रश करना इम्पॉर्टेंट है, इट इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी। Now, if we are talking about skin, so we need to protect our skin from the sun. It is also not very popular in our households. हमको इतना पॉपुलर नहीं है ये चीज़ कि सनस्क्रीन वगैरह यूज़ करना और सन से अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए कुछ चीज़ें यूज़ करना, स्पेशली जो आज के समय में यूज़ हो रही हैं, लाइक चाइल्डहुड सनबर्न्स में इंक्रीज अ पर्सन रिस्क ऑफ डेवलपिंग मेलानोमा, द मोस्ट सीरियस स्किन कैंसर. Sun is very good, sun is very important, but the UV rays in sun is very harmful for our body, for our skin. Okay, it definitely is a reason for many serious skin cancers और आप भी इसे कैच कर सकते हैं. So we have to protect ourselves from strong sun rays. Most of the more than 1 million cases of non-melanoma skin cancer diagnosed yearly in the United States are considered to be sun related. Even all over the world भी आपको इस प्रकार के रिपोर्ट्स मिलेंगी कि सन की वजह से बहुत सारे मोस्टली जो कैंसर होते हैं स्किन कैंसर वो सन की वजह से ही होते हैं. Now protection from the sun, you have to protect yourself from the sun because it is very dangerous. UV rays are not good for your health, but you can if you want to take sunlight, you want to get exposed to the sunlight, you can use that time, the morning time, because at that time UV rays are not very active, so you can use that time to have a sunbathe. Okay, how to protect yourself? 10 AM से 4 PM तक आपको अवॉइड करना है because the sun is very high at that time. Okay, and the sunlight is very strong. Seek shade में ही मूव करने का प्रयास करिए. एंड कवर योर हेड, जब भी हम बाहर जाते हैं कैप यूज़ करिए या स्कार्फ यूज़ करिए, वट एवर यू कैन, बट डोंट लेट योर हेड एक्सपोज डायरेक्टली टू द सन. Yes, this one is not very popular, but it is good. Sunscreen is a cream that is used to protect ourselves from sun rays. अगर किसी वजह से सन में जाना पड़ता है तो इसका यूज़ कर सकते हैं. So these were the habits that you have to follow. You have to maintain personal hygiene. Okay, you have to take care of your hair also. Hairs नहीं अगर मेंटेन करेंगे, उसका ध्यान नहीं रखेंगे तो आपको लाइस हो सकते हैं, डैंड्रफ हो सकता है, एंड दैट इज़ वेरी इरिटेटिंग एंड ऑल्सो नॉट वेरी गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ, राइट. सो यू हैव टू वॉश योर हेयर्स रेगुलरली, 2 to 3 days you have to wash, and you should oil your hair time to time, and then comes your ears. You have to clean your ears regularly. You should go to a ENT or maybe some professional जो कि ईयर साफ़ करते हैं once a year. बहुत ध्यान रखना चाहिए ईयर्स को क्लीन करते वक्त. ईयर में बर्ड्स नहीं डालना है आपको, जो ईयर बर्ड्स होती हैं उसको डायरेक्ट नहीं डालना होता है. यू नीड अ प्रोफेशनल टू डू दैट. एंड you have to clean your nails and everything. You have to cut your nails. You have to take care of your body, right? If you take care of such things, then you will be very healthy and you will get to enjoy your life, and you can do many things in your life without worrying about your health because you are following good habits. Okay, so I want all you to spread awareness about good habits to your parents, to your friends. Okay, whoever you talk to, whomever you will share about whatever you have learned in this video. Okay, and you can write a short note and send it to me about what you learned from this video. Okay, write a short note on personal hygiene and what you have learned about it and send it to me. Okay, so this was Rupali Rai, PRT of Kendriya Vidyalaya Multai. Thank you so much KVS and Kendriya Vidyalaya Multai for giving me this opportunity to share my views on personal hygiene. Have a nice day. Have a great day ahead. Have a great health. Goodbye. Thank you.